Okay, children, geometry. Geo means earth. Metry means to measure. Okay? Hello?
So,
So as we are doing practical geometry now, that means we are practically doing the geometrical things, what we have studied about in our previous chapters, we will be doing it geometrically. Okay, like making of a circle, keeping some radius fixed and making a circle, making a perpendicular bisector, making a perpendicular, making 30-degree angle, 60-degree angle, and many other angles. Okay, with your geometrical tools. Did you practice what we studied in the last class about geometry? I taught you 2, 3 things, a copy, how to make a copy of the line segment, then how to make a perpendicular. Hello,
yes, ma'am.
please respond. Why
Yes, ma'am. I
others are
practiced.
not responding? Yes, Chadwick, I can hear your voice. Your voice is too low.
Yes, ma'am. I practiced it.
So Chadwick, you have exam. You have, is that done exam or it's yet?
Ma'am, actually, I didn't attend it.
You didn't do
Ma'am,
what?
actually, I didn't attend it.
You didn't do practice?
Ma'am, I did practice, but I didn't attend it.
Okay, do a lot of practice, okay? Until your
Yeah,
exam,
ma'am.
until you answer your
Actually, the
exam,
test is
keep
done.
practicing.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, the test is done, but I didn't attend it because, I had fever.
Please write in the chat box what you are saying. Okay, children, I'm sharing my screen now. Let's move ahead in this topic. Okay, can you see the screen? Hello, can you see the screen, children?
Yes, ma'am.
I think only Charvik is there. Rest all have just put on the system and they have left their seat.
No, mom.
Okay, so we don't need to do this again. The introduction of the geometrical tools we have already done in the basic geometrical ideas chapter. Divider, the set square, the protector. Okay, so we
Yeah.
need not be doing it again because you all know the purpose of it. Okay.
Mom,
Yes.
actually, I had network issues last class when you were teaching the, like in the last 15 minutes, that perpendicular one. So can you say that perpendicular?
Yes, we'll do that again.
Okay,
That
ma'am.
was just the introduction part I was doing because Charvik was saying he has some test. Okay, so we'll do it in a proper way now. But the thing is that I don't have these geometrical tools to show you how to make actual construction. I'll be just making rough construction, okay? So that with that you can do it. And please sit with your geometrical things, geometry box. Everyone, have your geometry box with you and your notebook.
Mom, I left in school. Mom, actually, I could not find my geometry box. Mom, I only lost my protractor. I have everything else.
Now I can't help you with that. You have to arrange for yourself if you want to do the class.
Mom, do we need protractor?
Yes, we will be requiring it somewhere. Okay. Although less, but we will. Okay. So listen here. And you already knew that in this class we will be doing practical geometry. On Wednesday only I had told you. Okay. So see this coming directly to the exercise part now. Okay. We don't need the introduction of the tools. Draw a circle of radius 3.2. This I had already discussed that day on Wednesday when we had class. With your compass and a pencil fixed in the compass, On the ruler, please measure 3.2. Okay. So suppose here you have, suppose here you have 3, then your 3.2, just measure it with the compass. Okay. Keep the compass needle here. This is needle. Keep the pencil here at 3.2. Okay. P for pencil. Right. So measure 3.2 on your compass, and then on your sheet of paper, your notebook. Okay. Just keep the pencil pointer. Pointer means, compass pointer means the compass needle at a fixed position, fix it there, and with the rotate the pencil around this. Okay. Are you getting? So this distance from the center till the circle will be 3.2 centimeters. Okay. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I
Yes,
hope you
ma'am.
all have understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, the next thing is, always in each and every question of practical geometry, that means wherever you get a question of construction, steps of construction has to be written. Okay. Steps of construction. Steps of construction means how have we done the construction? This you have to tell the examiner. Okay. Now, what was the first thing we did in this? We fixed the compass to distance 3.2. Okay. Fix the compass with needle, compass with pencil. Please write down. Fix the compass with pencil and measure 3.2 centimeter on the scale. This was the first step. Then what we did? Then kept the pointer, compass pointer, keep the compass pointer at fixed place and move the pencil around it. Third step is that, hence we get the required circle. We get the required circle. You understood the steps now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So these are the steps of construction. Whatever steps we followed in doing this, that you have to just write down in your own words. Okay, there are no fixed wordings for this. You don't have to cram it, just in your own simple words. Okay.
Ma'am, in the second point, you what is after keep the?
Keep the compass.
Okay, ma'am.
Keep the compass pointer at a fixed place and move the pencil around it. Full stop. And third point is, hence we get the required circle. Okay. So in every construction question, you have to write the steps of construction. Now see the next. See the next question number 2. With the same center O, draw two circles of radii 4 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Now it's saying with the same center O. So the circles.
Ma'am, it's 2.5 centimeter.
It's 2.5 centimeters. So I told you day before yesterday also, those circles which have the same center are called concentric circles. Okay. Now, same way with the same steps, the steps will be same here. Okay, as these. So make a circle of, measure 4 centimeters, make a circle, 4 centimeter circle. Then make another circle with the same center of 2.5 centimeters. Do it. And then write the steps of construction for both. Do it everyone, and you will be showing me on the screen.
Ma'am, can you tell me what to do?
What?
Ma'am, can you tell me what to do?
What to do? You have to make the two circles like this with the same center. See this I have just done here.
Yeah, okay.
First make one circle, inner circle with radius 2.5. Okay. Then with the same center, measure 4 centimeter with on your compass and make another circle of 4 centimeters. Okay. Do it.
Good evening, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, you're in mute. Ma'am, you're in mute. Hello, ma'am. What should we do?
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, done.
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear us?
Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am, you're in mute.
Ma'am, you are in mute.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Can you hear us? Hello,
Hello, ma'am. Can you
Hello,
hear
ma'am.
us?
Ma'am, can you hear us?
Ma'am, can you hear us?
I guess network issues.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, done, ma'am.
I'm
Ma'am,
done.
did you go somewhere?
Yes, I had gone somewhere. Actually, somebody was there at the door.
Ma'am, can you see my screen?
Oh, yes, Ritesh, it's good.
Ma'am,
Right, Ritesh.
ma'am, what should I do?
Others,
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Can you see mine?
just a second. Yes, Divesh, I can see yours. Yes, Ashwath, show me yours.
Ma'am, I just
Yes,
joined.
Charvik, I can see yours also. Lasya, show me yours. Adrit.
Ma'am, I joined at
Advika.
6.
Advika, show
Ma'am,
me yours.
actually, I cannot see my geometry box.
Okay. Soumya, Hridesh. Yes, Ashwath, you're saying something?
Ma'am, I don't know about the question. What were you talking?
Question number 2. Were you not in the class? You
No,
joined
ma'am,
late?
I joined at 6.
Okay, now I was saying that you have to make two circles with the same center. Now suppose this is the center, you know how to make a circle?
Yes, ma'am.
So take measure radius 2.5 centimeter and make one circle, okay? Okay, understood this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Then with the same center, listen first, with the same center and radius 4 centimeters, okay? Make another circle. Okay, the center should be the same. Understood, Ashwath?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do this. And please, everyone now write the steps of construction. Write the steps of
Ma'am,
construction.
I already wrote the steps of construction.
You have already
What
written
the
the
steps
steps
of
of
construction?
construction, Ashwath.
Okay, ma'am.
Who's
Ma'am,
saying that written steps of construction?
Ma'am, can you explain, uh, like how should we write the construction steps?
Steps of construction, it's written here. See the screen here. Is the screen visible to you? See the first step. When we made this circle with radius 3.2 centimeters, fix the compass with pencil and measure 3.2 centimeter on the scale. So same way for this figure, you need to measure 2.5 centimeter on the scale. Keep the compass pointer at a fixed place and move the pencil around it. And here you get the circle with radius 2.5 centimeter. Okay, this much is done for the first circle. Then here your next step will be, step number 4 will be keeping the same center and radius measure is equal to 4 centimeter, make another circle. Okay, this will be your fourth step. Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
So your fourth step will be keeping the same center. You name your center C. Keeping the same center C and measure radius 4 centimeter, make another circle. Okay, this will be your next step. And thus you have two concentric circles. Okay. Thus only there will be addition of 1 point. Children, writing the steps is writing the steps of construction. Okay, let's see now. Next question. Draw a circle and any two of its diameters. If you join the ends of these diameters, find the figure obtained. What figure is obtained if the diameters are perpendicular to each other? How do you check your answer? Now draw a circle and any two of its perpendicular diameters. Okay, let's see now. Make a circle first. Make any circle with any radius.
Ma'am, with radius or diameter?
Circle you will be making with the radius, no? How will you make with the diameter?
Ma'am, because they're same two of the diameters.
So first make a circle with any radius.
Okay, ma'am.
First make a circle.
Okay, ma'am.
Make any circle with any radius. Okay, this is for question number 3. I'm telling you.
Ma'am, can you see my screen?
Okay. So everyone made a circle with any radius. Okay, any radius of your choice. Now make a diameter on it. This was the circle, no? So I made a diameter on it. I made a one line passing through the center. This is one diameter. Then I made another diameter on it. Like this. Okay, I made two diameters, no? And these diameters are perpendicular. You have to make two diameters. These two diameters are perpendicular. Just between them.
I made the diameters.
That means these two diameters are making a plus sign in the center. Okay. Now join the ends of the diameter. I join this.
Okay, ma'am.
I join this. I joined this. The line is going like this. I have joined all the ends of the diameter now. Okay. Now I just have to tell what figure have I obtained here. Okay. So this figure seems like a rectangle. It looks like a rectangle.
Ma'am, it looks like a rectangle. When we take them separately, they are
What if
four
it is
triangles.
rectangle, square? It's a quadrilateral.
Ma'am, it looks like a rhombus.
Quadrilateral. It's whatever it is. We are not going anything more specific into this, whether
Ma'am,
this
if we
length
take
is
them
equal to this
separately,
length.
they are
It
four
is
triangles.
quadrilateral. It is four-sided figure. It is a quadrilateral. You can just take it quadrilateral. Okay. Okay, now see, when I said these two diameters are perpendicular. Perpendicular means they are making some plus sign here. The angle between them is 90 degree. Now, if these two diagonals are perpendicular and they are intersecting, they are bisecting each other. Okay, bisect because this side is equal to this side is equal to this side. Okay. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So what can we say about the figure? That figure in which the diagonals are
Ma'am, it's
perpendicular to each other
bisector.
and diagonals bisect each other, we call such type of figure as a square. And you can even check with your pencil scale that are these line measurements coming out equal? You can check. Because the diagonal is showing the properties of a square. Please mute. Somebody is one side. Checked.
Yes, ma'am.
How about the sides? What are the measurements of the sides?
Ma'am, I got 3.5. I
All
took
sides.
radius
Are all
2.5.
sides equal?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that means the quadrilateral which we made here is a square.
Ma'am, I exactly got 5 centimeters.
Okay. So all
Ma'am, I
the
got
sides are 5 centimeters?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good. Okay. Okay. So see the next one now. Question number 4. Somebody has a disturbance on their side. Please mute. Question number 4. Draw any circle and mark points A, B, C such that A is on the circle, B is in the interior of a circle, C is the exterior of the circle. Okay, this is very simple. Make a circle of any radius. Please mark one point A on the circle, okay, on the boundary of the circle, and point B inside the circular region, and C outside the circular region. Do this.
Mom, can you see my screen?
Just a second, Bache. Yes, Ritesh, it's correct. Okay. Point A is on the circle, B is inside, C is in the exterior.
Mom, can you see my?
Yes. The inside point should be different from the center point. Okay. Yes. B, you have taken B as a center point, Divesh?
Yes, ma'am.
No, it should be different from the center. Center
Okay.
is different and B is only the interior. It should be different from the center. Okay. Although center is also in the interior only, but we are taking different from the center. Okay. Let A, B be the centers of two circles of equal radii. Okay. A and B be the centers of two circles of equal. Okay, Divesh, good. Okay, now make two circles of equal radii. Draw them so that, please read the question and understand the question. Draw them so that each one of them passes through the center of the other. Okay. Let them intersect at C and D. Examine whether line segment AB and CD are at right angles. Okay. So first understand this question. Look here. Okay. Children, understand the question. Let AB be the centers of two circles of equal radii. Now we have two circles, okay, two circles of equal radii. Draw them so that each of them passes through the center of the other. Now I make one circle like this. Okay, this is the center of this. Now I have to make another circle. That circle should pass from the center of this one. Okay, like this. And this center should lie here. Are you understanding? Both the circles, they both have same radius. They are passing from each other's center. Okay, you have to make this type of circle and then join this line. Take these points as A center and this center as B. Join A and B and take this point of intersection where the two circles are meeting each other, C and D. Then join this also. Okay. What will you
Understood,
observe?
ma'am.
What will you observe? Examine whether AB and CD are at right angles. You have to just check with your protector that are these two lines at right angle, making right angle? Are they at 90 degrees? Check this.
Ma'am, they are in 180 degrees.
Please check. Make the circles first with the same radius. The circles should be of the same radius, then only you will get the correct thing. Okay?
Ma'am, I can't understand what's the use of this.
What's the use of this means?
Means after doing the after keeping points, we have to measure with protractor.
As to what angle is there between AB and CD.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Is it 90 degree or not? That you have to see.
Yes, ma'am, for me all at 90 degrees.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, I also got 90 degrees.
Okay, very good. Now, one more thing I'll tell you in this, which is not written in this question. Look here. Look here, everyone. See, if you join this A to C and A to D and B to C and B to D, we get some quadrilateral figure like this, is it? And here we can say that AD is equal to AC because they are radii of the same circle, is it? AD is equal to AC. AD and AC are the radius of the same circle, no? Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And BC is equal to BD. They both are radius of the same circle,
Yes, ma'am.
is it?
Yes, ma'am.
And both the circles have same radius. Both the circles had same radius, no? That means all these radii are equal. AD is equal to AC is equal to BC is equal to BD, is it? Because both the circles were made of equal radii, no? Equal radii was mentioned in the question, no? Here. So that means all sides are equal in this quadrilateral and the diagonals are perpendicular. That means this figure is a rhombus. Okay. Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
This figure is a rhombus because whatever properties it's showing, this says that it is a rhombus. I hope you have understood this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the next one is line segment. Okay, this is the same as we did yesterday, how to make a copy of the line segment. Okay, I'll show you again. Now draw a line segment of length 7.3 centimeter using a ruler. Now make a line segment with 7.3 centimeters using a ruler. This is what they're saying. This is line segment, say A to B. Okay. Now, okay, that's it. It's only this much. Draw a line segment of length 7.3 centimeter using a ruler. So this everybody can make. Okay, now come to question number 2. Construct a line segment of length 5.6 centimeter using ruler and compass. Now, how will you make line segment with 5.6 using ruler and compass? See on your, make one big line first. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Make one big line. Make this, write the starting point as A. Now, on your compass, measure 5.6 centimeters. Measure 5.6 centimeters on your compass.
Okay, ma'am.
Then keep the compass needle at point A.
Ma'am, can you repeat again?
Keep the compass needle at point A. Then Now, and make an arc on this line. Make an arc such that it cuts the line. Make arc such that it cuts the line. And this, when you observe this will be 5.6 centimeters from point A to this point B, where this arc cuts this line. This point is called B. So that point will be, that line segment formed will be 5.6 centimeters.
I got it, ma'am.
Understanding? Okay. Children, I hope you are understanding this. कुछ समझ आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding everything or little bit?
Yes, ma'am.
Everything or little bit?
Ma'am,
Everything.
Oh, great.
Yes.
Lovely. Very nice, Bichi. Okay, let's see now question number 3. What this question number 3 says. I want somebody else to read the question now. Sritej, read question 3.
Construct line segment AB of length 7.8 centimeters from this cutoff AC of length 4.7 centimeter. Measure BC.
So what you have to do, first you construct line segment of 7.8 centimeter. Chalo wait karo. Make line segment 7.8 centimeter. First make 7.8 centimeter line, then I'll tell you what to do.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now place the pointer of the compass at the starting point of the line. Now suppose if your line is AB, okay, so just take a point A on this line. Now keep your compass pointer on point A of this line and open the pencil up to, this is, you have to, okay, you made this line as 7.8 centimeters. Okay. Okay, open your, okay, keep the compass needle at A. Open the compass to 7.8 centimeter, mark an arc like this here. Mark an arc like this. This is your 7.8 centimeter. At 7.8 centimeter, you marked an arc. Now,
Yes.
on this same line where you have marked this, now again measure your compass to 4.7 centimeters. And at 4.7 centimeters, make another arc cutting this same line. Okay, if this point is B, mark this one as C. So
Ma'am,
this
the
is
first arc which you made, that arc is length is 7.8 centimeters.
7.8, beta.
Okay.
This full length is 7.8 from A to B.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay. Who's this? Lasya is saying finished?
Yes, ma'am, finish.
Okay. Okay, then Lasya, read question number 4.
Okay, ma'am. Given AB of length 3.9 centimeters, construct PQ such that the length of PQ is twice that of AB.
What did you
Rectify
understand?
by measurement.
So tell me, what did you understand here? First, you have to construct line segment 3.9 centimeter. Okay, given AB of length 3.9 centimeter. Construct PQ such that the length of PQ is twice that of AB. Now you have to construct another line which is double of this length, 3.9.
Ma'am, shall I see?
Yes.
Ma'am, first we have to draw a line segment named AB. We have to point that in the corners.
Right.
First, we have to measure and draw a line segment, and then we have to construct a PQ such that it is twice of AB. So we will first we will what we say. First, we will take again the measurement of 3.9 centimeter, and we'll do into toe, and then we'll draw on that.
Okay. Now see, children, very good, Advika. Whatever you said, that's absolutely correct. Now see, I've made this line. Just make any long line. Okay. Now with your compass, measure your compass to 3.9 centimeters. Okay. And just keep your pointer at A and cut an arc A. Okay. Cut this arc on this line. Make this point as B. So this length will be 3.9 centimeters. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now, now don't change the measurement of this, okay? The measurement of this compass. Keep your pointer at point B now. The same compass opening, keep the pointer, the compass needle, the pointer at B and construct another arc cutting this line. Okay, so this will also be 3.9 centimeters. Is it? So that means now this line from this point is B, and from this AC, A to C will be what? 3.9 plus 3.9? Is it?
Yes,
so that
ma'am.
means this is 7.8 centimeters. You understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
So this line is now double of this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Yes, Devesh.
Ma'am, it's like when we mark any point on the line segment, it's like, do we have to draw first a R?
Yes.
Okay,
See,
ma'am.
how do you get a point? When two lines meet somewhere, you get a unique point, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
By joining those points, you get a line. With just single arc, you cannot get a point. No? Suppose if you keep the compass needle here, you can see, can you see the cursor? If you keep a compass needle here and just make an arc, can you get any point here? You cannot, no, until you have another arc, another line cutting it. You need something else to cut here, no? So that means we are just making a random line here, long line, and on that we are making an arc so that we get a fixed point. And when we double this, we get another one. And hence we get the twice of this line. Okay, it's saying in name it PQ.
Okay, ma'am.
Let's name it PQ instead of A and C, whatever name you can give, whatever is written in the question. Actually, it's saying first make a line AB. Okay, like this. Then with this, make another line. Keep a point here at P, 3.9, and then again 3.9, and mark this as Q. So they are actually in the question, what they are saying is that make two different ones. I have showed you on a single line itself, but what they are saying is AB is different, PQ is different. Okay. Understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we move to next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Or any doubts are there, anyone?
Ma'am, I
No,
asked
ma'am.
already.
Okay, Bachche. Okay, let's move to question number 5. Somebody please read question number 5. Who will read?
Ma'am, can I read? Ma'am, can I read?
Vintage has already read one. Okay, Divesh, you read question number
Okay,
5.
ma'am. Given a line AB
of length 7.3 centimeter and CD of length 3.4 centimeter. Construct a line segment XY such that the length of XY is equal to difference between the lengths of AB and CD.
So
Verify by measurement.
so that means the required line will be the difference of AB and CD. Now, this is all with the measurement. See, if we have to do it just by subtraction, quickly we'll do 7.3 minus 3.4, whatever answer we get, that is the line segment, but we have to do it with construction. So, given line AB of length 7.3 centimeters and CD of 3.4 centimeter, construct a line segment XY such that the length of XY is equal to the difference between the two. Now, how will you make?
And then to find the measurement without subtracting, then it will be like we should draw the line CD inside line AB.
Okay. Now, see, first you will make line 7.3. Please make two lines first, 7.3 and 3.4 centimeter. Make two different lines. Just with the ruler, you can make 7.3 and 3.4. Have you made 7.3 line now?
Yes, ma'am, 7.3 done.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, I made both the lines.
Okay, good. Now adjust the compass up to the length CD. Now CD was 3.4 centimeters. Measure that CD length with your compass. Keep your pointer at C and D. That measurement have you done? Now take this compass measurement and keep it on take this compass measurement, taken 3.4 measurement, and on 7.3 centimeters, just make an arc. Suppose this was your line, 7.3 centimeters. Okay, this was AB. Okay, this is 7.3 centimeters. And you made another line, CD, of 3.4 centimeters. Okay, with your compass, measure this 3.4. Okay, now take this line, keep it here on this, make an 3.4 arc like this on line AB. Okay, so that means you get here 3.4, this much is 3.4. And now, after doing this, make a random line here, just any line of any length, a third line. Okay, a third line, and keep its name as XY. Okay. After making this XY, what will you do? Look here. Look here, everyone. On this AB, I have this point now O. Now from O to B, measure this much with your compass. Measure O to B with your compass. With your compass and needle. Done. Open your compass here from O to B. And then pick your compass and keep it on point X. The compass needle. Keep the compass needle on point X. And whatever measurement was this of O to B, mark that arc here. Okay. Mark that OB measure on this XY. So now you will observe that this X and this point in the middle. So I'll just write this point as point X, Y. Let this point be Z, XZ. You will see that this XZ is, just measure this with your scale. What is the measurement of
Ma'am,
XZ?
it's 3.9.
3.9. Okay, so is that the difference same? If I subtract say 3.4 from 7.3, do I get 3.9? I get 3.9. Is it? Is it?
Yes,
So this is
ma'am.
now
Yes,
3
ma'am.
point, this is now 3.9 centimeter. So without directly subtracting, just with compass and scale, you have made the difference of the two line segments, is it? I hope you all have understood this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If still anyone has doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, after the class, you can see the repeater recording of the lecture, okay, and try to understand. Okay. This is done now. This was the 5th question. It's done. Let's move ahead. Constructing a copy of a given line segment. Copy of a given line segment also we did yesterday. Is it?
Yes, ma'am. Using the compass.
Using the compass. Now draw a line segment PQ without measuring PQ. Construct a copy of PQ. Can we do that? Without measuring PQ, we don't need to measure PQ. Just keep your compass and make a copy of that. How will you do that? First, draw a line PQ. Okay. Draw a line PQ first. Any line of any measurement first. Any small line. Then, now suppose this is my line PQ. Okay, I don't know what is the measurement. This is one line PQ. And then I make, in my next step, I'll make another line L. Just another line. And this is some point A here, starting point. Now, how will I do to make a copy of this? I will, with my compass, I will measure P and Q. I will just keep my compass pointer at P and pencil at Q. I will measure this with my compass and I'll pick that compass and keep my needle at point A now and make an arc on this line. So now my this point becomes point B, and this measurement will be the same. Okay, and so I can say PQ is equal to AB. That means AB is a copy of PQ.
Yes, ma'am.
Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
And similarly, whatever I'm saying and explaining you, that becomes the steps of construction. Okay?
Yeah, ma'am.
So what my first step, what I said, make a line PQ, then make
Make a
another
line PQ.
Ma'am, make a line
Make a
Then
line
PQ and
PQ
measure the
and,
L
measure
and then put your
then make
compass.
another line L and measure PQ and keep the pointer at A, mark an arc on line L, and hence you get another point B. And so we get PQ equals to AB, which is a copy of
Yes,
PQ.
ma'am.
Okay, so that makes your steps of construction. Okay, now you do the second one. Let me see what you can do. Given, now I will not say anything, you will do this. Question number 2, given some line segment AB, whose length you do not know. Okay, just make one line AB. You don't know the length. Construct PQ such that the length of PQ is twice that of AB. Can you do that? This question is very similar to what we did in the previous exercise. Length is twice. In the previous question also we had done the same question where the length was the double of this one. This question 3.9 centimeter. Okay. Same thing you have to do here. I think where is the question gone? Where will it go? It's here. छोटी सी exercise है, गुम हो गया है. Okay, do this question number 2 yourself quickly. Very few minutes are left. Only 4 minutes are left for the class to get over. That's AB, then X, P, Y. Okay, very good, Divesh. Done. Nice. Good, Divesh. Yep, others also show me your work. Okay, we'll do only this much here till today. Okay, for today we'll do only this much, 14.3. And tomorrow we'll continue with the next exercise. Okay. All right, children. Okay, do it. Yes,
Can you see
I'm
my
done.
screen?
yes, Sritesh, that's nice. Good. Good, Sritesh. But so big arcs you have made. Make small arc.
Okay.
Don't make arrow and bow. This is just an arc. Yes, good, Ashwath. Good. Then others. Soumya, done your work? Advika, are you trying in your notebook? Advika doesn't have the instruments.
Yes, ma'am.
So enjoying the class without the things, no?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay,
Ma'am,
so
actually today what happened? Today last period was Hindi and she was absent today. And PE sir took
Who
us to
she?
ground,
No,
and then
she.
in a hurry we went to class and arranged our bag and
So you must not, for the teacher, you must always use word ma'am. Don't say she was absent, okay? Ma'am was absent.
okay.
Okay. Never mind. Tomorrow be ready with your things, okay? And please practice this. Okay, listen to the recording again and practice doing these. It's whatever we have done in these exercises, no? Okay, Soumya. Soumya is there? Hello? Soumya is not there. Ashwath? Done, Ashwath?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You showed me?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, children. So practice this much for today. Okay. Then for tomorrow, we'll move to perpendiculars. Okay. Right? So somebody, I think Sritej was saying, no? She wanted to learn about the perpendicular.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll do tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Perpendicular and the rest of the angles will continue tomorrow. And keep preparing for your weekly test also. Okay. Thank you for today. Let's wind up the class. So today we studied about, just in a nutshell, constructing a copy of the line segment. Okay, constructing double of the line segment, constructing half of the line segment. Then what else we did? We constructed circles, different types of circles, concentric circle, quadrilateral inside the circle. Is it a square inside the circle, a rhombus inside the circle? Okay. By looking at the diagonal properties, we could make out what figure is there inside the circle. All right. So this much for today. Thank you so much. Good night, everyone.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye. Please practice.
Okay, ma'am.